Hey, Nick here again from South Bay Ford Mustang Expert. I just wanted to go through another really cool feature that this 24 Mustang has, is this active exhaust. If you look right here, I'm gonna turn the car on. And right now, see right there, it says normal exhaust on. Okay, right here is the exhaust mode. So right now it's on normal. And what I like to show you is once you hit it in quiet mode, you're able to not wake your neighbors up early in the morning. It kind of makes it as quiet as possible. So I'm gonna hit that. So if you notice how much quieter it is, versus if you go to sport, right there, a lot different. And then if you just open it up completely and go track, another very cool feature. If you'd like to know more about these Mustangs, my name is Nick Pons here at South Bay Ford. Here to help you.